Hey guys, as you have read the title, that weird thing happened with my this Windmill Cube when I used the JA-perm algorithm. JB-perm algorithm on this cube. First, let us use that algorithm to show you what actually happened. So, as you know the algorithm, I don't want to repeat it. So, I'm using the algorithm straight away. So, I have used the algorithm, and you might be thinking nothing happened, but see, if you see that, you might think that nothing happened on this cube because all the layers are built, all the faces of this third layer. But what if I put here, see, all the three are not. So this thing confused me for a while, but after that I figured it out that why did it happen. The reason was that, as you can see, that if we hold the cube like this, there are only two pieces, but in a normal cube there are three faces on each face, and as you can see the layers of this cube are like this. And if you turn this layer, that then 1, 2, 3 pieces are here, the face of this cube is this, not this one, not this face. The face of this cube are these ones. So I figured it out by comparing with the normal 3x3 and got the reason. So this, as you can see now, if you look it like this with respect to this layer, you will find that this is the JB-perm algorithm. Now we can use that algorithm here and it will be solved. So it was just for information video that if you have a windmill cube, if you get like this case, you don't get scared, and you just use that algorithm. So goodbye, take care, meet in the next video. Yeah. Wait, I forgot to do this U-turn.